£10 video camera any good? Let's find out. So it's my son's birthday coming up and I wanted to get him a video camera similar to like an Osmo Pocket. And I've been looking around and I came across this little bad boy here, the Panasonic DC2. So it's similar to an Osmo Pocket because it's kind of like a shotgun design. You hold it like that and it has a screen and it shoots HD, which if I'm honest with you nowadays, you can still get away with. Most stuff you watch is actually in HD as well. So that's the camera itself. 14 megapixels, actually shoots only in 2 megapixels when it's in the HD, which is quite common. You only need, I think it's 6 or 8 for 4K, so it's quite amazing. So the screen pulls out of the side, and away we go. So it's just like an old school Osmo Pocket, but this thing go for £10 to £20 here in the UK, where the Osmo Pocket's quite a bit more, quite a lot more in fact. So I'm going to put them up against each other and we're going to see how we get on. So let's go to the movie. Here we go. So this is the first footage on the cameras. Which one's the old school video camera and which one's the Osmo Pocket? Can you tell the difference? Which one is which? And here's the second video with the Osmo Pocket versus the old school video camera. Can you tell which one is which? Which one's which? And third and final test, old school video camera versus the Osmo Pocket. Which one is which? Can you tell the difference? One of these cameras is a lot more than the other camera. Are they both usable in this modern day? You tell me, which one's which? And finally, there you go, the results. So, looking at the back of these both cameras, they're very similar. They both got my little face in a square. They're both doing tracking. I think you'll see the Osmo Pocket's better footage, if I'm honest with you. But you can pick this up for £10, this one here. Just £10 compared to this, which obviously is a newer model. And it's been out and does lots more stuff, but £10 for what you're using is perfect. The flip screen's lovely. As you can see, the footage is more than usable. It's a really, really good buy, and it's a great tool for any YouTubers out there. So I highly, highly recommend it. But could you tell the difference in the footage? Leave in the comments below. Well, there we go. Did you know which one was which until the end? It's hard to tell, isn't it, really? There is a difference, but there isn't a difference like you'd expect. So for just £10, this bad boy has a lovely big screen. Osmo Pocket, we could do with a bigger screen, but not too much gain in size though, DJI please. But it does have a screw thread at the bottom as well. It's a great bit of kit this, and you can just walk around as you've seen there. Film just like you would with a Pocket, but for £10. Crazy. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!